Hospital and medical health line, 5 ways to live healthy every day. Want to boost your health every day? Here are 5 simple ways to live healthier. 1. Stay hydrated. Droplet drink at least 8 glasses of water a day to keep your body energized and your skin glowing. A colorful plate of fruits and veggies. 2. Eat the rainbow. Rainbow incorporate a variety of fruits and veggies into your meals for essential vitamins and minerals. People exercising outdoors. 3. Move your body. Man running aim for at least 30 minutes of physical activity daily. It can be a walk, dance, or any fun workout. Someone meditating or doing yoga. 4. Prioritize mental health. Women in lotus position take time each day to relax, meditate, or practice mindfulness to reduce stress. A person sleeping peacefully. 5. Get enough sleep. ZZZ aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night to recharge and boost your immune system. Happy people enjoying life, smiling. Living healthy doesn't have to be hard. Start with these 5 tips and feel the difference. Like and subscribe for more wellness tips.